and then this is a required. I'm going to select and enable that, right? So it's going to automatically collect that. And then I go to responses. I'll go to questions. I'm sorry. I go to my settings. And in the settings, we go back to what was the directions over here earlier. Can submit one response. We're not going to put that in, only submit one response. You can show the progress bar. So I'm going to uncheck I'm going to uncheck that. We'll let them edit if they need, and we'll let the summary chart text responses. If we put it on one response, you only get one time to do it. So if you want to see how that works, you can check it. I'll allow you to do that. That's up to you. And then we'll send them a receipt. These are some new stuff. The presentation will show a progress bar. We'll say thanks for completing my quiz. You can come up with a message. Save. I'll go back to the settings and go to quiz. If you want to make it a quiz where you want them to choose the same answers that you were thinking, you could do that. And then you would have to, if you did this and you went to save, then you would have to go back to each question. And then you would have to create an answer key. And if you're going to do that, then for those 5 questions that you have, each question will be worth 20 points. And then you would mark what would be the right answer. So if I said that this was the right answer, then I would hit done. Then I would go to my next one. And they can have multiple answers for this one. Let's say I'm going to go answer key. And I can have multiple answers. Maybe it's this and this, right? So then I would hit done. So you think what is going to be best, and then you're going to make it, you're going to do an answer key if you want to make it a test. This is how you would do it. I would say it's never safe. Boom, boom, boom. Hit done. And then scroll down. And then answer key. And again, these will be. Now you have the choice. Yeah, these would be 20 points. You have the choice. Okay, so let me show you. So then I will mark what I think are the best answers. And then when we get to this part's going to have to be scored differently. So you can mark the 20 points, and you will mark what you think is the best answer. It's going to mark it while we add in the 20 points here, and then we're making this a question that we're going to do 20 points. It's going to automatically score the test. If you got the first 3 right, it's going to score these wrong because you as the teacher or instructor will have to read it and then go in and enter the score for it. So that's how that's done. And then you would hit send, and then you would include it in an email. You would send it to yourself first. I'm sending it to myself first. And then I would send it to my email that I grade for class. So I'm just doing this as an example so you can see. And then I would hit send. And that's the process for today.